Windows 11 introduces a new right-click menu that looks slightly different from what we had in previous versions, including Windows 10. Even when you right-click on a file, you'll notice the difference. If you prefer the old right-click menu and want to bring it back, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a simple command. And in case you want to revert to the new Windows 11 right-click menu, I've got a command for that as well. I'll leave both commands in the description below so you can easily copy and paste them. First, let's bring back the old right-click menu. To do this, go to the Start menu and in the search bar, type CMD. When you see Command Prompt in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A window will pop up asking for permission. Click Yes. Now that the command prompt is open, go ahead and copy the first command from the description. Once you've copied it, come back to Command Prompt, right-click inside the window, and paste it. Then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll see a message saying, "The operation completed successfully." That means the change has been applied. Now all you need to do is close the command prompt and restart your computer. After the restart, when you right-click, you'll see that the old Windows 10 style right-click menu is back. Even when you right-click on a file, it looks just like it did in the previous versions of Windows. Now, if at any point you decide you want to go back to the new Windows 11 right-click menu, the process is just as simple. Go to the description of this video and copy the second command. Then, just like before, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, right-click inside the window and paste the command you copied. Press Enter, and once again, you'll see the message, "The operation completed successfully." Now just close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, you'll notice that the new Windows 11 right-click menu is back. And that's how you can easily switch between the old and new right-click menus in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.